Hey everyone, if you are a BTech student looking to start your career in IT, this video is for you. I will break down the different career paths in software development, including backend, frontend, databases, cloud, and AI. Plus, I will explain why generative AI and machine learning are game changers in today's tech industry. As a fresher, you don't need to master in everything, but knowing the right foundation skills will give you an edge. So stay till the end to understand what to focus on and where to start. Backend development powers the logic behind applications. If you are love working with the data, APIs, and business logic, this is for you. And here the list of backend languages: Python, Java, JavaScript. And as a fresher, you don't need to learn all of these. Pick one backend language and master it. But if you are from a CSE background, you have already learned Java in your semesters. Make sure you understand its core concepts because many of the companies expect Java, like basic Java knowledge, even if you specialize in any one particular language. So my suggestion, Python or JavaScript, both have vast job opportunities. And front end is all about designing and building the user interface. So even if you are focusing on backend, having a basic understanding of front end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will help you in full stack development. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then move to React.js for job ready skills. So every application needs a database to store and retrieve data efficiently. So popular databases, MySQL, MongoDB, Postgres, etc. You know, like you don't need to be a database expert as a fresher, but you must know. Start with learning MySQL or Postgres, then explore NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Um, Cloud is the backbone of modern applications. Almost every company is shifting to cloud services. So here are the top cloud platforms to learn: AWS, Microsoft, Azure, GCP. So uh, even if you are not aiming for a cloud specific role, knowing basic cloud concepts will help you in career. Many backend roles now require cloud knowledge, like starting with AWS free trial available and learn basic services. AI is uh, AI is transforming every industry. Knowing at least the basics of AI and ML will set you apart. So AI concepts you must know, like machine learning, algorithms and the predictions from data, deep learning, NLP, or like chatbots, voice assistants, transformers like GPT, BERT, like what is prompt engineering, LLMs like ChatGPT, BERT, Claude, and other AI platform, AI tools, like generative AI. What is generative AI? And so AI is booming. Even if you don't plan to become a data scientist, basic knowledge of AI and how it integrates with software development will boost your career. So my tip is start with Python plus machine learning basics using use TensorFlow, PyTorch, and explore AI tools. Yeah. This was a complete roadmap for BTech students starting their IT careers. Whether you want to be a backend, front-end, or AI engineer, the key is to keep learning and adapting to new tech trends. Pick one backend language and master it. Learn basic frontend and database concepts. Understand cloud fundamentals. Be aware of AI trends shaping the future of IT. So, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech career tips. Let me know in the comment section which tech stack you are interested in. See you in the next video.